Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Wallpaper Engine download failed. So let's start. For the first step, make sure to open the Steam launcher. Now first of all, make sure you have the latest version of Steam. So go top left corner, select Steam logo. After that, select check for Steam client updates. If you do have an older version, make sure you select and download the latest version. You will find the button right here. Otherwise, click close. For the second step, go to library and select collections. Now search for Wallpaper Engine. I would use this game just to show you the process. Next, go to the gear icon right here, which is manage, and select properties. Now once this tab opens, go to launch options and type in this command right here, which is -dx11. Once you do that, go to installed files in the left menu and click on verify integrity of game files. That way any missing or corrupted file when downloading will be recovered safely. Just wait for the process to finish. For the next step, go to the Steam logo top left corner. After that, select settings. Now in the left menu, scroll down until you find downloads. Go to clear download cache section and select clear cache. After that, select confirm. Next, go to storage. Go to these three dots right here. After that, select repair library and your problem should be fixed. For the last method, go to the Windows taskbar, right click. After that, select task manager. Now search for Steam in the search bar. After that, go to Steam 32-bit. Right click, after that select end task, and that's it. Last step, go to the Windows search bar, type in NVIDIA app. Once this opens, go to the drivers in the left menu. Make sure you download and install the latest driver you find. So select install, after that select continue to initiate the installation process. And that's it. If you find it helpful, make sure you like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.